Hello everyone, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to this lecture, guys. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss some basic operators and mathematical expressions with Python. So without any further delay, let us get started. So firstly, let's talk about operators. Besides assigning a variable an initial value, we can also perform the usual mathematical operations on variables. Basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide, exponential, and so on. Okay, it's just like a simple calculator. Let's take some examples like 8 plus 9. Let's run the code. 17. Simple subtraction. 4 minus 8. Let's run. Minus 4. Okay. Now suppose I'm giving a value 5 to a variable x. Like that. And in the next line, I'm giving a value 2 to a variable y. Like this. Okay. So here x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. I defined already. So let's try to addition these numbers. So I'm typing here just x plus y. Shift plus enter. Output is 7. Okay. So as you can see, I'm trying to addition two values with the help of variables and directly also. Okay, let's move further. For example, I'm typing x minus y, shift plus enter, is equal to 3. Now I'm typing x slash y, shift plus enter for run the code. Output is 2.5 with the help of single slash. So my dear, here output includes floating values like 0.5, 3.5. It is what? They all are floating point numbers. Okay, floating values. Here it gives the divide value as well as decimal part also. 5 divided by 2, it's lead to be 2 without decimal, and with decimal part is 2.5. Okay, if I'm typing here x double slash y, then shift plus enter for running the code, it's give only integers value like 2. Okay, it not contains decimal part like 0 0.6, 0 0.2, 0 0.5 and so on. Okay, so in this way you can divide any two values with floating point numbers and without floating point numbers like integers. Okay, let's move further. Modulus. How to find modulus in Python? So with the help of percent sign like x percent sign y, let's run the code. It's give 1. So here modulus sign gives the reminder when 5 is divided by 2, because as you know x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, I already defined. Okay, so in this way we can use different operators in Python. Okay, let's move further. I hope you know very well what is exponentials and power of number. For example, 2 raised to the power 6. How to calculate in Python? It's very simple in Python. Just write code 2, then 2 times asterisk sign and 6. What is the meaning of it? 2 raised to the power 6. Let's run the code with the help of shift and enter, and is give the output 64. Okay, with the help of single multiplication sign you can multiply any value in Python, and with the help of two multiplication sign in computer language and Python language, multiplication sign is defined by a asterisk sign, and the asterisk sign is shift plus 8. Okay, so in this way you can add any values, divide any values, find exponential of any numbers, and multiply any values. Okay, let's move further. Numbers and expressions don't stop there. Python has numerous built-in functions to work out set of numbers, absolute values, complex numbers, and a host of mathematical expressions and Pythagorean tongue twisters. For example, to convert a number to binary number. So how can do it? It's very simple. Type win function in parentheses. I'm typing 3. Let's run the code. It gives the output 0b11. Okay, I hope all you know very well what is binary of 3. Binary of 3 is 11. And here 0b. 0b is what? 0b is prefix of binary. Okay, and if you wanna remove the prefix 0b, so how can do it? With the help of format function. Like format in parentheses, not to be space, I'm typing 3 like this one, comma, in single quote b. Let's run the code. It gives the output only binary digit, not to be any prefix are there. Okay, so in this way you can find binary number of any integer value like 3, 6, 4 and so on. Okay, so it's all about mathematical expressions, simple operators in Python. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.